FTC, computerized, square bottom paper bag making machine. This machine makes from paper roll to printing, then width and gusset forming, tube cutting, and bottom creasing online. This machine has auto printing unit, which is India's first innovation by FTC. No need to change cylinders for each length of bag, only you need to change printing matter and ink for different color printing. This auto printing reduces the cost of purchasing cylinders for each length and saves setting time for printing. You can manufacture less quantity printing bags for different length paper bags. This machine has adjustable width plates to make different width of paper bags. No need to change width plates for each width of paper bags. The main advantage is we can make gusset of maximum 8 inches. This adjustable width plates reduces your working capital on paper roll. Example, with 90 centimeters or 35 inches paper roll, we can make 10-inch width and 7.5-inch gusset for 1 kilogram sweet box paper bag. With the same roll, you can make 12-inch width, 5-inch gusset textile paper bags, and 13-inch width, 4-inch gusset textile paper bags. This machine has auto cutting unit. You can cut any length of paper bags without changing any gears. You can do cutting specification in millimeters. This reduces the cost of purchasing gears for each length, and you can manufacture customer specified length paper bags, that is customized paper bags. This machine has online bottom creasing unit, which is India's first innovation by FTC. Online bottom creasing helps you in making square bottom folding. This reduces the cost of labor for paper bag for bottom creasing and investment on creasing machine. For square bottom folding and pasting, it costs 40 paise per paper bag. Either you can do it in your factory premises or choose women's at home to do contract work for square bottom folding and pasting. Choosing women at home for contract work will enhance your business philosophically by the term women empowerment, and at minimum helps the women at home for their survival. Paper handle pasting labor cost will be 20 paise per paper bag. It can be done within our factory premises for end packaging of paper bags. Make square bottom paper bags at low cost with FTC machines.